my channel. So this video is going to be on this wig that I'm wearing, and I was sent this wig from MyFirstWig. So just in case you guys are interested, honey, the links will be in the description box below. But y'all, do y'all see this? So before I even hop into me applying this wig, first of all, this is a 5x5 and it doesn't even look like a 5x5 lace closure. This looks like a freaking frontal. Okay, like I said, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and I have this in a Yaki texture, and the color of this, it came this color. So you can just imagine like this color on top of it already being like a Yaki texture. Like, I'm all for it. And then on top of this length, like, it's the perfect length, not too long, not too short, wearable. You can wear it every day. I feel like this is like an everyday length, but it's definitely the color for me. Okay, let's just get on to this wig. Now I am going to show you how I applied it, and it's pretty simple because you don't have to, like, it's not lace from ear to ear. It's only 5 inches of lace, so it cuts down some of your time as far as like tacking a lace down and all of that. So yeah, we're just going to hop straight into it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below. All right, so this is what the wig looks like, and that look like it's going to be giving me scalp. I love this color. So basically it's like, I don't really know, it's like a brownish type color but on the lighter brown side. And then you have like these blonde streaks going in, but it's like pickable blonde. It's not throughout the wig, it's only like in the front. But I just think it's really cute. Now this wig already came curled, and then I curled it again, but when I brushed it out, it ended up looking like how the wig came originally, which is like this. So I'm just gonna have to recurl it when it's on my head. But this is what it looks like. Now this is a 5x5, so they just give you the lace 5 inches across and 5 inches back, and it does come with an elastic band. It also has 2 combs on the side, and it has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and put some like finishing powder just to darken up this wig cap a little bit. So now that I have my lace laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And I rarely do this method, but I feel like since it's only a 5x5, I don't have to cut off much lace, and it's just easier. Oh, I can't see y'all. Hold up. All right, so if I'm like out of frame or just burp, it's because I can't see. So now I'm going to take this again and then I'm going to take my elastic band and stick that on. While this is like laying, I'm gonna go ahead and put my part in this wig. And of course you can't make the part too deep. Now that I have my part situated, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So now that you can see my part, I'm going to go ahead and like add some baby hair.